Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, taking a look at crude oil on a daily time frame. And we ended up closing the week stronger than I expected, above that 64.80 level. Again, we tested that level of support and we were denied around 66.30. So let's go to the hourly time frame, as I believe I showed on Wednesday that we would see another test, assuming that we recaptured that 64.83 level. Well, we did. We saw a little bit of a pullback and then a launch all the way up to about 66.28, 66.30 and some change. We've been putting in a series of lower highs here just by a few pennies at a time. So here again, we were at 66.65. On the highs here, we were at 66.45. And again, on the highs here, we're around 66.28. So we're dropping about 10 cents on average on these highs here. Not necessarily the worst thing in the world, as we are still holding the support. I think that we'll continue to trade along 64.80 and around 66 is the next test to the upside before we start to see another move to the downside. So we are fighting with the 200 on the monthly time frame as well. So take a look at your charts there. You'll see exactly why we're consolidating in this area. So long as we hold the 64.80, we can assume that we're going to see that test of 66 again before we start to see another pullback down to around 65.20s if we do base higher. Best thing to do here would be to try to put in a little bit of an uptrend line here. So again, around 64.80 should be the next move up. So down and then another move up to 66 and then a potential another move down to around 64.80, 64.90. I still think that if we go ahead and continue to hold this area and breach that 66.36 highs, we should have no problem continuing up to around 67 50 to about 68.90, somewhere in that area, but definitely possible to see us, after this consolidationary period is over, so long as we hold 64.80, we are still in business to see 68.50 or 79.80, somewhere in that overall range, but still looking to test this overall uptrend line here that we've been kind of respecting as time has gone on, but yet we have not tested it yet. So that leads me to believe that we are going to consolidate and then take another shot to the upside.